Alright, welcome to freefocusdance.com. I'm Push. I'm going to show you how to do a basic turn. Alright, so a lot of you boys don't like to utilize turning for some reason, except when they're doing power. But you can do this in your footwork. It helps kind of mix up the space, let you see everything around you as well. So if you're in a cipher and you're dancing and you're just watching somebody, you might kick a baby if you're not watching behind you. Especially if you're outside, you never know when people are going to fly by and stuff, especially cipher kind of style. So make sure you throw in some turns and some twists so you can see all around you. Make sure everything is good and you don't hurt yourself or somebody else. So very basic turn and breaking, very easy. Toes together, knees down, bent. All we're going to do is cross our right foot over our left. You can do this on the other side as well. We're just going to do right side for today. Right foot over left. Both of our toes can come up. And we're going to pivot counterclockwise on our toes until our feet are twisted and we are 360 degrees. Our hips are still twisted right now, but I'll show you how to fix that. All right, so toes are nice and comfortable, slightly separated, knees into the toes. We're going to take a step and cross right over our left. The closer you can get your knee to the top side of your knee, so back side of the knee on the top side of the knee, the better this twist is going to be. So you want to be pretty close. You don't want to be too far away. It's not going to help. You want to be very close. So relaxed, right over left. It's going to feel a little bit uncomfortable, especially as a dude. So you want to get to your toes quickly. Toes, pivot. Now you're here, twisted, 360 degrees. You turn. Now all you have to do is take that right foot and place it together. You're going to do this while you twist to make it look really smooth. Pivot, twist, footsteps around. And it looks almost like you didn't get stuck, right? So over and pivot. You can also use your heel and your toe to help pivot if you get stuck anywhere. Pivot. I can finish by placing my foot in a circle and nice clean together. So step over, pivot, together. Okay? Step over, pivot, and that little momentum, you can bring up your foot while you're pivoting and make them come together without getting caught. Okay? It's just a little momentum and untwisting right here. Untwist. And I'm just gonna bring my hip in that circle still and up together. Pivot, toes, twists. Legs gonna come out together. So we have a nice boom. Your top rocking, very easy to place that foot. Instead of going all the way out, place it in, twist. You can continue by placing your foot back out. Twist. Twist. Top. Top. Alright, that's it. That's how you do a twist. Thank you for This is freefocusdance.com. I'm Push. You just learned how to do a basic twist. Peace.